Today we'll be blending some metallic base coat, spraying clear coat, and using the 3M Performance Spray Gun for the first time. After block sanding this area, priming it again, and finish sanding, we're ready to paint. To begin, we'll just blow off the dust. And I have some wax and grease remover in a bottle like this, and I'm just going to lightly spray this rag with it. And that picks up any remaining dust. And then we'll blow it off again and hit it with a tack cloth. After wiping it quickly with the wax and grease remover, I like to blow it off and wipe with my hand. You don't have to do this if you think you're going to get fish eyes, but I really do believe that it gets rid of any remaining dust and also allows you to feel if there's any nibs that are stuck on there. It should be all smooth as glass. And last, we'll just hit it with a tack cloth just to make sure we got every last speck of dust. And we're just rubbing this over there real lightly. I just have a small piece. And you just rub it over there real light. To get the paint to cover faster, we're going to hit it with one coat of dark sealer. The first coat will be a tack coat just to get the paint to stick. This will be the second coat. It'll be medium to wet, and we're right around 19 psi. On the last coat, we're going to blend the new color with the old. The goal is a very gradual transition between the two colors, which are very close but not perfect. After allowing the base to dry for about an hour, we'll give it 2 coats of clear, one a bit light, and the second one will be wet. After letting it dry overnight, lightly wet sanding it with 1200 grit on a DA and buffing it with Meguiar's diamond cut compound, we'll install the side scoop, pull it outside, and see how it looks and how it matches. I hope you enjoyed this video on a pretty straightforward way to blend base coat and the first time use of the 3M Performance Spray Gun, which was light, sprayed perfectly fine, and was a breeze to clean. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.